A whole lot of people are going to disagree with me today. It's okay. I think the biggest lie that our generation was taught, family is everything. No, healthy family is everything. It's a huge difference. We were taught that if someone shares our last name or our blood, you just keep taking their stuff, whatever it is, the guilt, the manipulation, the abuse, the insults, the disrespect, year after year after year. Somehow, we're the bad guy if we finally say, I'm done. I can't take any more abuse. I don't care if it's a parent, a brother, a cousin, your sister, a lifelong 40-year friend, or yes, your adult disrespectful son or daughter. Being related to someone does not give them a lifetime license to destroy your peace. Hear me carefully though. I'm not talking about walking away after an argument over dinner. I'm talking about years. Years of trying, years of apologizing, years of showing up, years of hoping that they'll change, years of giving chances after chances after chances after 20 chances you've given them. At some point, you have to stop asking, how do I save this relationship? And you got to start asking, what is this relationship costing me? Because your peace is valuable. Your health has value. Your marriage is valuable. The short amount of time that you have left, so valuable. I'm 57. I don't have another 57 in me. I just don't. Begging people to love me, and neither do you. Let's be honest. Here's another controversial thought. Forgiveness. Forgiveness doesn't always mean reconciliation. You can forgive someone, wish them well, hope they heal, and still refuse to allow them to continue to hurt you. It's not hate. That's wisdom. Sometimes loving yourself means closing a door that you've been trying to hold open for years with all your might. And if people call you selfish, let them. Protecting your peace may be the very thing that finally saves your life. I'm not telling you to hate anyone. I'm not. Please don't. I'm not telling you to seek revenge. I'm just telling you that at some point, you have to choose your peace over their guilt. You can spend the rest of your life trying to convince people, even your children, to love you. Or you can spend the rest of your life becoming someone that you're proud of. Totally different lives. If you're choosing peace instead of chaos, type still here or I'm in. If you're rebuilding your life and you'd like to have some help rebuilding your life with some accountability, send me a DM. I'm an accountability coach and I help a lot of people. Appreciate y'all watching. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.